What's up, guys? I'm here in the city of Cusco, which is a city in Peru. I'm sure maybe even some of you are from there that are watching this video now, and I'm sure I have some Peruvian followers and Peruvian viewers as well. So I just want to say your country is really cool from what I've seen so far. So, no, ahorita no, gracias. No. He wants to shine my shoes. That's what we call it in English, to shine your shoes or to clean your shoes. So here we're in the city of Cusco. I'm with a friend of mine.
What's up?
Sabat.
How you doing?
Right here. Sabat's a giant. He is about 2 meters and 3 centimeters. So you can imagine when we're walking around the city, we get a lot of stares from the people around here, especially because Peru is not necessarily the tallest of the countries in the Americas. So people here generally aren't used to seeing people so tall. So we were at a restaurant just an hour ago, and 2 ladies just, the only thing they said to him was, "2 metros?" They were just saying, "Are you 2 meters?" And that was their introduction. And so it's kind of funny to see people's reactions. So here you see the cathedral. Here, I assume it's the cathedral. We just got here, so I don't know anything about this city right now. We're right in the middle of the heart of downtown, so excuse me if I get some of the information wrong, but from what I can tell, this is the cathedral. We have this beautiful courtyard here, really well maintained. You hear the birds chirping. There's a new verb for you. Chirp is the sound that birds make when they are singing, pretty much. So the birds are chirping. There goes the bells. You hear the church bells? I think it means, what time is it?
8:30.
It's 8:30, so we have two bells that just tolled to signal 8:30.
They're actually 5 minutes ahead.
Are they?
Yeah,
okay.
8:25.
Yeah. So let's see. We have a monument over there. You guys remember that word, monument? I think I discussed in the last video. Here on the hillside, you can see in the distance, you see a lot of houses and different colors, kind of cool. And up here on this hillside too, you see a lot of buildings, and there's a cross way up there. I don't know what that lookout point is called or anything, but it looks like a nice view over the city. And there's a kind of like a Christ the Redeemer statue up here too, as well. I don't think you can see it, it's too far away. But there's a couple good lookout points up there. Who knows if we'll be able to go up there or not. But yeah, we've had a very long past 24 hours of traveling. Sabat here came from San Diego, crossed the border into Tijuana, and then flew to Mexico City. And I was actually in Mexico City, as you guys saw in my last video, for a couple days, just chilling there, enjoying some of my favorite neighborhoods there. And so I met him at the airport in Mexico City, and then we flew from there to Lima, which is the capital of Peru, and then we had about a 3-hour layover, and then we boarded our flight to Cusco. So we haven't slept in over 24 hours, so it's a little bit weird for us right now. We're a little bit delirious, I think, but we're hanging in there. We've got the this amazing tea. I don't know, what is it called? The coca. Mate de coca, I think, which is the tea that helps you get acclimated to this altitude, because here it's about 3,300 meters, I think, something like that.
Más o menos.
Más o menos. Sabat's learning Spanish.
Sí.
For a lot of people, it's really hard to get used to the elevation here when they first arrive. So they recommend to drink a lot of this tea, and that's what Sabat's been doing. And it's really good, really good. I thought it was going to taste terrible, like some medicine, but it's actually a very good tea. And so show them. It's got a bunch of leaves in it. I think he's choking on one. There's a verb for you, choke. Choke is when you're doing what Sabat's doing right now. Here, show them the leaves. So yeah, if you're not careful, one of those slips down your throat and you start choking. So yeah, we're just waiting to check into our hostel. We got here really early, so we can't check in yet. And so we're just chilling out here outside. No, gracias. And later on, I guess Sabat's gonna buy some sunglasses, but later on, we're gonna maybe explore some more of the town, and maybe I'll film some more. So see you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right, so we are at an archaeological site called Tambomachai, and here I'm going to show you a llama. Hold on one second. All right, here we have our first llama sighting in Peru. Finally, we've been waiting for the llamas. There's some over there too, but yeah, we're very high up in altitude right now, even higher than the city of Cusco. So it's taking a toll on our heads. I think
3,000 feet.
Yeah, 12,000 something.
500 meters.
Yeah, something like that. So yeah, it's very high up. So we have headaches, but Sabat's is worse than mine. He's struggling a little bit. But yeah, once I get to some ruins, I'll show you. All right, so we're coming up on some ruins here. Sabat is severely struggling. The altitude is really getting to us, but I don't know what sound.
It's a goat.
That is a goat. Okay.
Is it really a goat?
I don't know, or a llama or something. If any of you guys knows if llamas make those kinds of noises, leave that in the comments down below. So let us know. So here we got some rock structures, and up here you'll see much more refined square stone structures. And we decided not to do a tour, so I'm not going to be able to tell you exactly what these are for. Maybe one of my Peruvian viewers might know, but we've got some fuentes, some fountains here.
Strong.
Oh, this is cool. We can't walk up there though. They don't let us pass. But I've seen, just in the 5 minutes we've been here, I've seen various fountain type things like this. So I don't know exactly if it's just for irrigation or if it's for some other purpose or what, but it's cool. It's very tranquil here, nice and serene. So as you can see, we're probably gonna have to go up even higher, which Sabat is not gonna like, but he paid the money, so I'm sure he's gonna want to get his money's worth. So yeah, let's walk up. So in the distance, you can see some more ruins at a different archaeological site over there. But I don't think we're gonna go there because I'm sure it costs money, and we've already paid a lot of money to come up here. So we want to go to one of the more famous ruin sites around here.
A total of 9 sols.
Our Uber was really, really cheap. So we only paid 9 soles to come, like, what, almost 30 minutes?
What the hell's this?
20, 25 minutes up here. So
Is it?
I don't know. Let's see if we can, there's some trails up here, maybe we can go up. But yeah, from up above, the view is very nice, but I'm filming on a GoPro, so with this wide angle lens, you can't really see super far. But yeah, there's some caves up there. Well, let's see if we can get somewhere a little more interesting in this zone, and I'll film some more. All right, we're on the other side of where we just were. I was just filming up there, and now we're over here walking up this little hill, which doesn't feel very little, but we saw that there's a little cave up here, and we just wanted to explore to see what's in it. If you don't know that word, cave, that might be a new vocabulary word for you, and I'll show you very shortly what I'm talking about. But yeah, so today we're at these ruins here. We're gonna go to one more site and then probably take it easy for the rest of the day, because tomorrow we'll wake up at 3 a.m. to go to Machu Picchu, and then on Saturday we will take a tour of the Sacred Valley, which is the whole area around Cusco. So I think we'll get to see a lot of cool sights there. So here I see a cave up here. Now you know what I'm talking about. So excuse my heavy breathing. It's the altitude speaking. It's a very peaceful place. Not the most amazing ruins, admittedly, but very peaceful. And the natural scenery is beautiful. So, it's not that much of a cave. So it's just a little indentation into the hillside, but hey, at least we got a little more exercise. How you feeling? I don't think you can talk right now. All right, I'll film more probably at the other archaeological site because I think we've seen everything we need to see here. But yeah, I'll just give you one last view of this place. Very cool. All right, we are in our second ruins site. How do you pronounce the name of this one?
You asking me? I can't even say my
Hold on. Let me get the ticket out just so you guys can see. It is that one right there, Sacsayhuaman, I believe is how you say it. So we're about to go in right now. Oh man, I think we're gonna get trapped behind these tour groups, but yeah, we declined the offer to take a tour because, I don't know, we're cheap. But yeah, these ruins look more impressive. And the guide was trying to tell us that architecturally, they're even more impressive than Machu Picchu, but I think he was just trying to embellish it a little bit so he'd buy the tour. But yeah, well, he admitted that these are the second most impressive ones after Machu Picchu, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So we're coming up here. I think there's gonna be a cemetery that was recently discovered, I believe, but we'll see. All right, you go first. We're gonna see if Sabat can fit in there with his 6'7" frame. You got this.
Oh, it's very cool in here.
Oh, wow. This is a very cool tunnel catacomb kind of thing. Oh, yeah. So the guide asked us, he said, are either of you guys claustrophobic? So you guys might have already heard that word, claustrophobic. And we didn't know why he asked that, but I guess this is why. So it's very dark in here. Sabat, come back out. I'm gonna take a picture of you first.
I can stand up here, look.
Hurry up. Just gotta get this. I'll let you guys see the picture that I'm gonna post. There, right there. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. I hope none of you guys at home are scared of the dark because we're about to go in right now.
Black.
Pitch black. There's a phrase that you guys should know. Pitch black. Pitch black just means it's 100% dark. Hold on. Taking one with Sabat's phone now. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, so let's go in. Ladies first.
Wow, look at that picture. That's a crazy picture.
All right.
So I guess
ladies first.
follow me as I take
you
through a guided tour. I got the flashlight on.
Whoa. This is cool. Nah, turn the flashlight off. Let's get the real feel for it. Whoa. Okay, I gotta take my sunglasses off. All right, yeah, this is a very, very tight fit and I can't see anything. Can you shine it this way? Okay.
Yeah, watch your head. I'm barely fit in this cave. Can you go out this way? No, you can't.
Oh, okay. It's just, all right.
Piss up in this.
No, we can't look.
No, I think you can go that way.
Yeah, let's go.
You're on your own.
You're not gonna go?
I'm not gonna die.
Dude, come on. It comes out the other way. All right. Looks like the start of a horror movie.
And you know what happens in horror movies? The black guy dies.
I hope we don't see any piercing red eyes here. You can come this way. You'll have to duck, but you can make it. There's another vocabulary word for you guys. Duck means when you bend your head down to go under a low space. Sabat, come over here.
Okay. Pitch black. You can see
Yeah.
Flash on. Oh my goodness, this is like... Oh.
Here, just duck through that part, and over here it opens up. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you guys would go into a really, really dark place like this, or if you'd be too scared. Ah, look, we're already at the exit. Ah, that was easy. All right, we're by this very slippery rock face right here. Actually, I just slipped on it as I was trying to step up there. These kids up here, you can see them, they're actually sliding down these things. So they are little daredevils, but I don't think Sabat's gonna do it.
Hell no.
Well, let's see if this girl can. Oh, this little boy right here. Whoa. All right. All right. So you can come all the way down here. Yeah. Very cool. All right, well, that's probably all I'm going to film here. Tomorrow I'll film at Machu Picchu, a little more momentous. So yeah, I'll see you guys then.